So I just wanted to share with you um, what I have in my Google Drive and where you can find things. So once you get into my account and you click on my drive, this is what you'll see, and then just go ahead and scroll down, and I have two what have I missed, but this one says Spanish 1 fall semester, so you just click on that, and this is where you can scroll down, and all you have to do is put in the class recordings. So everything is in there from day one, and all you have to do is fill in some things there. Okay, so then the next thing is go back into the drive, and the other thing I wanted to show you was this document up here at the top. This is the 2015-2016 surveys, and I thought we had to have a retake in a video lesson for the students that failed the test assignment. So that's what I've been doing, and that's what my kids know to do. So I've done them all through all the units, and they're also already in the LMS. So if the kid fails their test, it says that they are supposed to watch a video and do a retest. So, like for example, we are on Unit 6, so I don't know if I have anybody who has filled in this document yet, and I don't, so I'll just click on it, but this is basically what it looks like. They just write their first and last name. They just say if they've watched the recording and if they understand now how to conjugate verbs, and they submit that. Oops, let me go back. And then once they do that, it comes to a document like this. And so what I do is I don't check this unless a kid K-mails me, and it says that they're supposed to K-mail me. And if they K-mail me and say that they failed and they'd like to retake, then what I do first is I check in the grade book to see if they really failed. Because a lot of them are getting these messages because they're not up to speed on the current unit, and so when I put in zeros, they automatically have that message come up even though they might have already taken the test and passed it. So if I have kids, so I have some that look like this. Okay, so if a kid K-mails me and says they want to retake the test, I look first to see if they failed it, and if they did, then I look in here to see if they submitted the K-mail, or they submitted the information. And if they did, then I highlight it in green, and I go and I reset their test so that they can't see their answers and they can retake it. I was highlighting in green here because I thought we had to go back and change their grade to a 70, like they can retake the test for up to a 70. But I know not everybody's doing that, so I'm just kind of waiting. But at least I know who K-mailed me, who failed, and who I reopened the test for. These other people who don't have anything down here, they have not K-mailed me. So I'm not going in and checking this constantly. I'm just waiting. They have to K-mail me and let me know if they want a test reset, and then I go back in and I highlight this and I reset their test if they had made less than a 50%. So anyway, these were the only two things in my Google Docs that you probably need to know about, and of course you're welcome to have anything that I have in here. And so thank you for taking care of my students for me.